Hello guys, welcome to my next video. Here we're making brown rice sushi. So I've got a bamboo mat and a nori sheet, and I place my rice on top and I put my sliced veggie toppings and some smoked salmon. I've got cucumber, pickle and carrots. I also wet the nori sheet at the end to help it stick together. Then I try to squeeze it and roll it towards myself. Squeeze it at the top. That really helps combine it together and it will prevent it from falling apart later on when you're trying to cut it. So trust me, I've tried this many times and failed, so this is a tip. So we wet the knife and we slice up the sushi. The wetness actually helps cut it a lot easier, and so it doesn't stick to the knife and also fall apart. And this is the end result. Next we have some crunchy pita bites. So I've got garlic powder, cumin, paprika, fresh garlic and olive oil. You can of course use the spices that you like. I brush that on both sides of the pita and top it with some paprika again. And then I pop it in the oven, and you can find details on that in the description for how long and what temperature. Next up, we're making matcha pancakes. I've got buckwheat flour, baking powder and matcha powder as well. I actually added more because I wanted it to be a bit more flavoursome. I've got a tablespoon of maple syrup, half a cup of milk. I'm using unsweetened almond milk, and you mix that until it combines into one batter. And you want it to be that consistency. Next up, we also add egg. We want to make sure it's completely combined, so you just mix it until it's one. Then you pour the batter onto a heated pan, and once it starts to bubble, you flip it. I left out some frozen raspberries to thaw, and I added some lemon to flavour them. And then I placed some of the raspberries and the sauce on top. I also added some dark chocolate on top as well. And then I added some peanut butter, and you can obviously use whatever nut butter of your choice. And I drizzled some honey on top, and voila, the end result.